Hi, sir. Hi, boy. Show me this restroom here. Oh no, turkeys. Oh. Chicken. You just gotta lay.
Just like I did. See why? He's ready. Huh? Oh, look at that.
Okay, put yours right there like Daddy next to
We're gonna
it.
wash our hands real good after this, okay? You like it?
Okay, Daddy, can you grab her hand?
like
Daddy,
it, huh?
can you grab her hand and put it like how she...
Come on, just put your hand out there. Open it up. Come on. He'll eat it right out of there.
Daddy, tickle.
Yeah. You want to, boy?
Not too much, they're gonna run out. Oh, there's another one. Okay.
Oh, he's like, hey, what's up? We eating over here.
Boo boy, feed this one, Boo boy.
No.
Tristan, you want to feed some? You can do it, buddy. Come on.
Okay, put his hand, guide his hand out there.
I got you. Come on.
Come on, closer. Put
Hold
it down,
hold
lower.
Hold it down. He just wants to eat. Okay. Or if this guy gets some food too. Okay. I ain't got nothing else for you. Okay, there, buddy. I ain't got nothing else. Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Daddy, I'm ready.
Chicken. That is their food.
Is it?
Yeah.
There's a bunch
Corn.
of
What is this? This is the turkey.
Look,
Look at the turkey.
turkeys. Don't stick your fingers over there, okay?
That is a
What are
turkey.
you all about? Hi.
Yeah, big. I've never seen.
Huh?
If the turkey's nose is like pink.
Oh my gosh, I've never seen this. Yeah.
This guy's like, y'all got food?
Oh my God.
Hello.
That's a big pig right there.
Oh my God.
Oh man.
Put it to their
To the light one,
lips.
yeah.
Oh my
There you go,
gosh.
fella. Hey. There you go.
How does he eat?
How does he eat?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this one, boy. It's your size.
Here, boy, you want to feed that one?
Okay, guide his hand, Daddy.
Hold on, is he, there you go. There.
Oh.
This one over here is going to rule.
Oh.
Hands out of the way.
Okay, I know
Hand, boy.
what.
You can hold it down low.
Oh.
Is that good?
Can I?
Give me here. Tristan, come on. Come down here, little one. Come down here.
There you go. Guide his hand to where it's.
There we go. You feed the little girl.
Look at me, boy.
Can I pet him? I want to pet him.
When he finds out you ain't got no food, he'll move on. Here, Lala, you want to feed the little one?
Where's the doggies?
Let's go look.
Where's doggies?
All the way there. Oh.
Are those donkeys? Those are sheep.
I don't know where the donkeys are.
Where's the doggies?
Look at the.
Somebody, come on.
Call him and then.
There. Get down low. There we go.
Aww.
That's right. Look at that. Anybody else want to? Come on, feed that. Hold your hand down. Go down here, okay?
Oh, look at that boy.
That's so cute.
You want to feed that one, Lala? There you go.
Let me see your face, boy.
Look, boy, look at mama.
Oh.
Oh. You gonna feed that one? Whoa. Come on over here. Come on.
He's talking to you, boy. Talk. Hey.
What do you want to do? You're so funny. You're so funny. You're so cute.
Talk to him, boy.
One.
Oh. Say hi. Careful, okay. Hi.
Usually got scared.
Oh, that's. Oh no.
Somewhere where he can reach me.
No, that's it, Lala. Okay. Hi. See, nice to see you. Thank you for coming to us. You're the only one who came.
You're the only one who came to me.
Mm-hmm.
You're the only one I could feed right here.
Hi. Hi. Yes, I don't have any. Hi, how are you?
We don't have any food.
How are you?
You got to eat, okay? And other owners will come.
Oh my
They'll
goodness,
feed you.
hi.
They'll-
I see you.
nice.
I see you.
Right now, we're not eating anything right now. We're gonna wash our hands before we eat anything.
Bye.
Daddy,
Tiny left. A little bit higher. A little bit higher. There we go.
oh, is there any more left?
Okay, guess.
That's
There
right.
you go. Gonna be the end of it right there.
Okay, Lala, this one. You were talking to this one. Lower, huh? Oh, God.
hungry, so can I eat the apple?
Guide the hand.
It's real easy right here.
I'm hungry, I'm hungry.
No, your hands are dirty.
We're not eating anything yet, boy. We have
All
to
right.
wash our hands.